Just woke up today. Wanted to vlog a random day. I don't know how to do an intro yet, so kind of winging it with homegirl. Maisie be doing a motor swap today on a 300 SRT. It has a 6.4 like a Scat. So about to grab some food, probably the croissant, and we're gonna get right to it. Good croissant. Jesus Alejandro right there.
¿Cómo te llamas, güey?
Me llamo Jesús Alejandro.
¿Cómo?
Mario. Scooby-Doo. Scooby. Scoop. Scooby. 6.4 came out of a 300 SRT8 2013. Gonna go into that car right there. Got one Brembo right there. Only came with one. The other one probably got obliterated. Separated from the subframe now. Now that we took out the tranny. Subframe time. They're trying to deadlift it already. El Jesus Alejandro. Cálmate, Jesus Alejandro. Ready? Straight crack out. Yep, they're doing the top, they're taking out the coils, the whole harness. I'm about to take the oil out. Little 13 millimeter right there. Bingo. I disconnect the battery to remove the starter. Gucci. 1, 2. And take out. Starter is out. Alright, next AC compressor is 1, 2, 3. We could focus 13 millimeters. How long is that motherfucker? Oh, it's already out. And AC is free. And disconnect the 2 knock sensors. No, I took off this plate. These 2 nuts. Taking off these guys. Bell housing. Bolts here. 14s. Right here, we're removing the converter bolts. Looks like the rear main seal was leaking, so it looks all dirty here. Go for it, Jesus. hard. So took the top 3 bolts out on the bell housing. Whole harness is off. Accessories are off. Almost there. I hit every time. How amazing. Skeet there. Skeet there. It's almost ready. Sheesh. Sheesh. Can I do that again? The technique was crazy.
Huh?
The technique was crazy.
Like that at a time, huh?
You learned that from the Boy Scout or what?
Yeah.
That was a Boy Scout knot for sure.
Oh, that gym.
One day.
There's a piece of wood.
One day at the gym. Gotcha. A little one or a right, whatever?
Yeah, I think this is the gym.
Here. Oh shit. No ass.
Me la robaron, güey.
Had to remove the passenger side motor mount. Had to make some space because it's a tight squeeze. Barely made it. Was gonna remove this side, but didn't have to because we got it like that. Shoosh. She out. There's a little bit more up. You're right there. Go slowly. And then the valve cover gaskets. This is that mid-build.
I want the Velcro.
Mira.
Oh my man. Nah. Shoot! I'm gonna join mine. It's nice. Your motor's going in. Valve cover gasket's done. Water pump gasket done. Chopper's out. We in there.
I think we're good.
We're gonna continue tomorrow because
Some breakfast real quick before the swap. I mean, to finish the swap.
motor in last night. Bolted up to the trans. Now we just need to do all the accessories. Alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, shit, harness. About to do the torque converter bolts. These are the 2 torque converter bolts. Spin it. So you don't normally want to tighten those too much. You just want to hand tighten them. And as soon as you put all of them, then you can start tightening them all tight. Like right there, you can see. Right there is fine. Right there is fine. Yeah. Hey, just put this plate. I'm putting these 2 lines, water lines. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. And coil pack time. And time to connect the harness. Yeah. Change the intake manifold gaskets. I'll take the blue tape off and install it. Connected all the wires, sensors, coolant pipe. Almost ready. Yep. For putting a manifold, you want to connect this guy and this guy down here, because then it's gonna. It's almost there, guys. It's almost there. You know we got only the best of the West. Good milk. Final stretch. Mario's finishing the coolant system. I'm adding the oil. Just need the accessories as well. Just add coolant. Set the belts. Turn this alternator. Start this car up. We on the serpentine belt. Then we just need the coolant lines to add the coolant. It's gonna be a first start. No diagram needed.
So in order
This is
to
full concentrate, huh?
in order to bleed the whole system, you have to remove the Allen from this water pump, which allows it to let out all the air.
Yeah, burp the system, but all right, first start. No leak. Complete. She's ready. She ready. She ready. Ready. There's a dead. There's another project right there. Yup. Got it right. Test drives around the block. Feels good. Idling good. Holding temp good. So that kind of wraps up the swap. 2-day turnover. Not too bad. Let's see what else I do. I'll probably go skate or hit the gym. I don't know. You can tell he's an SRT guy. Loves the SRTs, man. SRT 4 caliber, SRT 8 Magnum. A little dusty. And you got the older SRT 8 300. This one's mega dusty. Should have watched this one today. The buns. Best smash burger in South Central, you know what I'm saying? 3x3.
Fire.
3x3. Medio litro.